with a new lesson. As you remember, in previous lesson we did what is matter. Today we will talk about how can matter changes. How can matter changes means by doing what actions the matter will change. So let's start. All matters, as you know, they have properties, and you can describe matter by using their properties. Means the matter is looking like what? The shape of the matter is like what? The color of the matter is what? And the size or taste or texture. As you remember, we did all these properties in the previous lesson. So let's start. How matter can change? By doing what? Yes, whenever you are cutting, folding, breaking or tearing. Suppose when you cut any matter, the shape and size of the matter will change. Like if I have a carrot or any fruit or any vegetable, if I cut it, after cutting, the shape and size will change. Next, even whenever you are folding any matter, the size will change. Like tissue paper or blanket, whenever you are folding, the size reduces, the side becomes less. Breaking, when you are breaking matter, shape change, even size changed. Suppose, for example, whenever you are breaking your pencil, the size of the pencil now become less. And tearing or peeling, whenever you are peeling or tearing of any matter, the shape and size changed, even mass change. So after how matter changes, you should know about mixture. What is mixture? In science, how you can define mixture? When different kinds of matter you mix them, it means that is a mixture. But keep it in your mind, whenever you are mixing the parts of the matter or the mixture, you are getting means you are not getting new thing. The parts of the mixer do not become new thing. Example, salad. Whenever you are cutting different vegetable, after cutting, you mix them. All the solids and all the matters, they keep their identity. Means after cutting, carrot will not change into cucumber or cucumber will not change into another thing. Now, you can say the mixture is what? After mixing matter, you are not getting something new. And mixture mixture may be made up of solids, or mixture also you can make by using different liquids and gases. Like gases is what is a mixture of different gases. As I gave before one example of salad, so you can say salad, fruit chart and pencil case. In your pencil case you have different matter: pencil, sharpener, eraser and other things, colors, scissors, etc. Challenging question. So this part is only about your assessment, or what do you know in this lesson? What are some properties of matter? You know very well properties of matter, or how you can describe the property of watermelon, or even you can describe any fruit that you like. So, do you want to see the answers? So let's see the answers. And goodbye. Inshallah, some new lesson and new lessons related to matter.